Okay, so in this instructional video, we will be teaching you how to adjust the flow rate of your FCI faucet. The faucet needs to be on in order for this to work. You're going to want to push down on the settings button, which is located in the middle here in between the sensor and the spout. You're going to press down on it until you see 4 red flashes in the sensor. Once you see the 4th red flash, remove whichever object you are using. I'm using a pencil, you can use a pen, just nothing too sharp because you don't want to damage the settings button. So you hold it down for 4 red flashes, remove it, and press it again, just for a quick second right away, and that will set the duration to the shortest amount of time possible. Now let's say you want to set the duration to the longest period of time possible. What you're going to do is push down on the button. Once again, you're going to see 4 flashes. Once you see the 4th flash, remove whichever object you are using, and then you put it back and hold down for 5 seconds. Now you're going to see that the water flows for much longer.